There is an Igbo proverb which says, if the palm wine tapper says all that he saw from the top of the palm wine tree, he will be taken to the evil forest, or call it the wilderness, so he can live alone. I'll say it again. If the palm wine tapper says all that he saw from top of the palm wine tree, he will be taken to the wilderness, so he can live alone. What it means is that it's not everything you see that you say. It's not everything you learn that you reveal. There are some things that are better kept secret. Because it's not that you cannot reveal them. It's not that you don't want to reveal them. But because revealing them can cause real damage for even good people. So it's better you keep them like that. Just act as if you didn't see them. Those are words of our forefathers.